Today we will discuss about topic should India join NATO. NATO is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. So for few years European country has shown a significant role in Indo-Pacific, and India also knows that no single country can provide stability and security in Indo-Pacific. But due to sudden rising power of China in Indo-Pacific, there is a strong need for India to find a security partner which are politically reliable and which are powerful. Now there is a certain arrangement which has been floating from Western countries to India about NATO membership. Now it is up to the Indian government about to become a part of NATO or not. The advantage of becoming a NATO membership are few, but there are certain more disadvantages. Now we'll discuss about the argument which are supporting India to becoming a NATO member. During Cold War, India always opposed two power bloc and always follow the non-alignment. But after the end of Cold War in 1991, this NATO member has expanded their relationship with non-aligned and neutral state. Another thing is it will create deterrence because Article 5 of NATO treaty said that any attack on the member of NATO will be called as attack against all member, and it will demand a collective action against that aggressor. So it will create deterrence for China and Pakistan. Another thing is it will improve the military of India. Like most of the countries of NATO have strong military, and they have uh, means they have a advanced military. So it will help India to advance its military equipment and weapons. Another thing is it is an era of multipolarity because India could align with China against US in the WTO, but India is against China militarily because it has become a part of Quad, which contain US, Australia, and Japan. And another thing we can think of is there is also a convergence of issue between NATO and India about ending terrorism, about military doctoring, and something like that. So, if India will become a part of NATO, there will be a productive exchange of ideas between India and NATO. Now we'll discuss about the arguments which are against India to becoming a NATO member. So first thing is there is also a conflict within NATO. So NATO members have a conflict about a share of the military burden, and they have also conflict with EU which want to assert their independent military role. Another thing is it will deteriorate India's relation with Russia because Russia has been a time-tested partner of India, but Russian government has always shown displeasure when India moved towards USA. But so if India will join the if India join the NATO member, if India will join the NATO, then it will weaken the relation with Russia. As of now, India has strong dependence on Russia for defense equipment. So now it is look like a bad idea to join the NATO. Another thing is there is a issue of sovereignty because after India will join the NATO, there will be a building of certain NATO bases and NATO blocks into the India, which might call a protest in India. Another thing is as there will be a conflict in any part of the world, so Indian soldier will might drawn into that conflict, and there will be a loss of life due to the joining of NATO. So the conclusion here is that pragmatic engagement between India and NATO members should be needed, but India should refrain ourselves from becoming a NATO member. Thank you.